Hello everyone, welcome back to GSM Tips. In today's video I will show you the quickest way to manage your notifications, which is good. For a change, they did it. It's done a lot easier. You don't have to go through the settings and stuff. If you want to turn off or silence some notifications for certain apps, or you can modify specifically for different apps, it's straightforward. On the main screen, just swipe down, you get the notification settings, and you get here all the apps. Now I don't have a lot of apps installed at the moment, but here you'll have the entire list. So say for example you go to messages, you can just disable the notifications. Otherwise you can personalize as you wish. Just tap on it. Of course you have a lot of notifications, otherwise you'll turn it off. Sound and vibration, if you turn off this, you get one option, the notification pop-up will disappear. You can get an icon badge, and on lock screen you can of course disable this. You got so many options you can fiddle with. Normally I like this, I keep this off all the time to hide the content notifications on lock screen, but it's entirely up to you the way you wanna play with it. But they made it easy this time. Just swipe down and you get the notification settings, and you can turn off your notifications. If you're in a meeting or something, you need WhatsApp off or something, you can just do it straightforward. You don't have to spend a lot into settings to find where they are, and it's more accessible. This is it for today. If you found this useful, please hit that like button and the subscribe button, of course, and I'll see you guys in the next one.